Introducing the Finishing Touch, flawless facial hair remover for women in rose gold. A sleek and effective device featuring 18-karat gold plating and LED light for precise hair removal. Easily remove peach fuzz and hair from lips, chin, neck, and cheeks with this hypoallergenic and dermatologist-recommended electric razor, perfect for maintaining flawless brows or quick touch-ups. The innovative butterfly technology of this facial hair trimmer gently removes hair with microscopically paring down by a spinning head, leaving your skin smooth and hair-free without any nicks or bumps. Shaped like a lipstick tube, this discreet hair removal device is gentle enough for daily use, allowing you to enjoy hairless skin every day without waiting for regrowth. Say goodbye to unwanted hair effortlessly with the Finishing Touch Flawless Facial Hair Remover, your go-to solution for painless and precise hair removal in recyclable packaging.